Hi guys, you're watching Eat More Lose More. Today I'll be sharing with you all winter diet plan for weight loss to help you lose 7 kgs in 2 weeks very easily. Now recently my lots of clients followed this diet plan for immense weight loss and they were able to see a huge transformation happening for themselves, and so can you. For personalized or customized diet plans for weight loss, you can always mail me at eatmorelosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number, which is 6284306522, and we'll start your weight loss transformation journey with me and begin the journey. So without any delay, let's get started with winter weight loss diet plan to help you lose 7 kgs in 2 weeks very easily. Quickly starting with our early morning drink, which is simple plain coriander seeds water. All you have to do is simply boil 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds in 1 glass of water and have it sip by sip empty stomach in the morning itself. Benefits of coriander seeds are proven for all the PCOD, PCOS patients. At the same time, people suffering from thyroid issues from longer time of their journeys are definitely able to see a much better performance with their thyroid levels as well. So do try out this recipe and let me know in the comment section below how you felt about this. The second option is that you can have simple and very easy to go ajwain or jeera water. All you have to do is simply boil either 1 teaspoon of ajwain or jeera, or you can do it both together as well in 1 glass of water. Boil it properly for 2 to 3 minutes and let it simmer for at least 1 minute, and you're good to go for your early morning drink, which helps you to kill your bloating, water retention, swelling in the body very quickly. You can even add a stick of cinnamon to it to help you with your appetite suppressant properties as well. Ajwain, jeera and cinnamon, the 3 magical herbs, work amazingly well for PCOD, PCOS, thyroid, diabetes, lowering your blood sugar levels, and definitely for all the people who want to lose good weight in minimum time. Let's quickly start with our breakfast options for winter diet plan for weight loss. I'll be giving you 2 options here. The first option has to be for something which is very warming in nature but yet very quick to prepare. I am talking about what you can basically enjoy is having spinach corn sandwich. Spinach is very readily available in winter season and is fresh at the most, so you should definitely accompany spinach, methi leaves and all of these to your diet as much as you can. So recipe of spinach corn sandwich is yet again over my channel, which requires only few ingredients and is super healthy and super yummy as well. I'm preparing a very quick dressing which is of spinach corns, simply sauteing them up for at least 2 minutes in some pepper and some salt, pouring it up in my 2 slices of bread, along with you can add lettuce as well and some vegetables also as well. Simply you can grill the sandwich or have it as it is, and it tastes super yum and super nutritious as well. Good in iron content, good in fiber, and definitely keeps you satiated for good time of the day as well. Along with that, you can have a cup of green tea, black tea or black coffee as per your own preference and enjoy your tasty, healthy, nutritious breakfast. Second option is for all of those who cannot have sandwiches in the morning and can definitely have a good meal which requires time but is very yummy and is super easy to prepare as well. Now I am talking about having 1 moong dal chila. If you like having a good high protein and very delicious breakfast, then you should definitely go out for having 1 moong dal chila. The complete recipe is already shared on my channel, which requires very minimal ingredients and very less time as well to prepare it. Along with that, you can have mint chutney, coconut chutney or peanut chutney as per your own preference, or you can simply enjoy it with 1 cup of freshly brewed green tea, black coffee or black tea as per your own preference, and you're good to go for your high protein and high fiber breakfast. I do have a third option which is optional for all of those who can have eggs for their breakfast. If you can have eggs for your breakfast, you should definitely consume 3 egg whites in the form of either you can have it as an omelette, which is a veggie omelette in which you can add spinach, mushrooms, corns, whatever you seasonally want to add to it. Along with that, you can even have a cup of green tea, black coffee or black tea as per your own preference, or you can even have 3 boiled egg whites as per your own choice, either omelette or egg whites boiled as per your own call. Now let's quickly proceed towards our mid-morning snack option, which comes between breakfast and lunchtime. If you feel hunger pangs during this time, the best option for you would be to choose a seasonal fruit. Oranges are very readily available in winter season and they're good to go for your vitamin C boost as well. Do have 1 orange at 11 a.m. approximately to boost your energy levels as well and to give you a good boost in your vitamin C benefits as well. Great for skin benefits in every manner. Quickly, let's proceed towards our lunch option, for which I'll be giving you 3 options here which are definitely winter specific and tastes amazingly well in every form. The first option has to be my personal favorite. Now of course we want something warming during this time, at the same time something which is very high in protein as well. I recently came across this beautiful recipe of paneer biryani and tastes super amazingly well. Now all I have done here is in a pan I've added some olive oil to it and added all the dry masalas. At the same time I'm adding here green chilies and some ginger as well. Along with that, I'll be adding some onions to saute it well. Let it properly saute till golden brown. Meanwhile, what we'll do is we'll marinate our paneer. Paneer, I've used approximately 150 grams of paneer to this, marinating it in some yogurt. At the same time, some spices, regular spices. Along with that, I'll be adding here some biryani masala as well. You can get it from the market very easily. Along with that, I'm adding here dry kasuri methi powder and different spices as per your own choice. Along with that, marinating it for approximately 10 to 15 minutes in the fridge, and meanwhile we'll just see how the onions are sauteing it well. To this, then we'll be adding our marinated paneer, and along with that I'll be adding some rice as well. I've used very little rice to prepare this biryani and more of paneer. You can even add vegetables to it as per your own choice, but I prefer it only with the paneer. I'm also adding some water for the rice to prepare well. At the same time, I'll be adding some kesar strands, and at the same time some kevra water. Gives a very beautiful access to biryani. It is a very quick hack for biryani, not a complete recipe, but definitely works amazing to prepare it in the morning very quickly. You're good to go for your protein intake as well with this, and we'll allow it to cook for 14 to 15 minutes, and along with that we'll be enjoying some good homemade raita. You can even have some salad along with it, and definitely it's the best source of protein for your lunch. Quickly, let's proceed towards our second option for winter weight loss recipe for lunch, which will be a healthy, tasty, yummy parantha. Of course, when it's winter season, we do love to have some paranthas out there, and I personally love to have the methi parantha. The recipe is completely upon my channel, which is only oats flour, some besan, some wheat flour as well to bind batter properly. Along with that, I'll be adding lots and lots of fresh chopped methi leaves, some freshly chopped coriander, some basic spices, kneading the dough with water properly, and you're good to go for your parantha. It is a very healthy and nutritious way to prepare parantha and tastes super amazingly well as well. I just like to have it with some ghee over it, not frying it on the pan, just simply roasting it on the pan and pouring some ghee over it, and you're good to go for your winter weight loss lunch. Along with that, you can have some good full bowl of dahi and some mint chutney as per your own preference, and your tasty, delicious, high fiber lunch is ready. Third option is for all of those who like having all the winter vegetables, which is gajar matar, or you like having some aloo methi ki sabzi and all of those things, and you're good to go for your lunch. Along with that, you can have 1 or 2 oats chapati. Now, the complete recipe of my oats roti is up on my channel. I've also added some beetroot puree to it because it gives a beautiful flavor and definitely a good color as well. It is a very good source of high fiber food for you, which is of course gluten free in nature because oats do not contain any kind of natural gluten to it. So you can enjoy 2 oats rotis to have it in the lunch. Along with that, you can have any seasonal sabzi, some bowl of curd, and lots of salad to fulfill your fiber as well, and you're good to go for your lunch. Quickly, let's proceed towards our mid-evening snack options, which comes between lunch and dinner. If you feel some hunger pangs happening during this time, the best option for you would be to enjoy a freshly brewed cup of either green tea or black coffee or black tea as per your own choice. Along with that, you can have 20 grams of roasted makhanas in some ghee, and you're good to go for your mid-evening snack. If you don't want to have this option, then you can always have 30 grams of high protein seed mix, which is basically you can have some seeds, which is pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, flax seeds, some nuts added to it, and you're good to go for your protein intake of the day as well. Let's quickly proceed towards our dinner options for winter diet plan for weight loss. I'll be giving you 2 options. The first option is my personal favorite these days because it's super easy to prepare and super yummy as well. Now, I am basically preparing some zucchini and carrot fritters, which is basically a zucchini and carrot pancake. All I'm doing here is grating some zucchini. Along with that, I'll be adding some carrot as well. Both the ingredients I have grated well. I'll be adding pinch of salt to it and let it keep it aside for at least 2 minutes. Once it's properly soaked in, all the water will squeeze out, and quickly squeeze out all the water from it. Along with that, I'll be adding some besan, which is chickpea flour. Along with that, I'll be adding some regular masalas or spices, whatever suits you the best. Of course, do add some green chilies as well. I'm adding here some chopped fresh onion as well. Along with that, you can use some coriander as well, and you're good to go for your batter. Quickly prepare it with your spoons or hands. Make fresh pancakes or patties out of it and simmer it up on a non-stick pan. You can even use some cast iron pan as I'm using it. Just properly season it well, and you're good to go for your zucchini carrot fritters, or basically pancakes. They are super easy to prepare and super yummy as well. They're very crispy from outside and soft from inside. You can enjoy it with some healthy dressing that I'm making here, which is of some homemade curd or yogurt. You can use some paneer, salt, black pepper, and some lemon juice freshly squeezed. And quickly blend this all together, and your tasty, healthy, high protein dip is ready. It's super creamy and super yummy as well, and you will definitely fall in love with this recipe. Do try out and let me know in the comment section below how you felt about this. Quickly, let's proceed towards our second option for dinner, which will be a winter specific soup. Here I'm using some freshly chopped tomatoes, some carrots, zucchini, zucchini, freshly chopped ginger, and you can use even chilies as well. Along with that, I'll be adding black pepper powder, some Himalayan salt, some fresh coriander, add some water, simmer it for at least 4 to 5 minutes or 2 whistles, and you're good to go for your healthy soup. Blend it all together. Do not strain the soup. We do want all the fiber as well, and you're good to go for your tasty, healthy, winter specific soup. Tastes amazingly well and is super yummy as well. Do try out this recipe and let me know in the comment section below how you felt about this. Let's quickly proceed towards our bedtime drink option, which comes post dinner and is very essential to have for your metabolism boosting properties, for which we'll have 1 cup of freshly brewed chamomile tea. The scientific benefits of chamomile tea are immensely proven. They are great for your insomnia, good sleep benefits, and promotes good metabolism boosting properties as well. If you cannot have this, then you can always have 1 cup of freshly brewed ajwain tea. Now, works amazingly well for your fat loss and is definitely great to remove all the water retention, bloating, and swelling from your body as well. With this diet plan, please make sure to consume at least 2 to 3 liters of normal room temperature water without any fail, or you can even warm up the water quickly so that it's at least soothing for your throat, and you're good to go for your hydration benefits as well, to remove all the bad toxins from your body very quickly. If you want your personalized or customized diet plan for weight loss, you can always mail me at eatmoreloosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number, and we can start your weight loss journey with me and begin the transformation happening. If you like my video, please hit the like button. Comment below if you have any query regarding any of the diet plans or meal recipes, and I'll be more than happy to revert back to you. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel Eat More Lose More and hit the bell icon to be notified for all the upcoming weight loss tips and tricks, diet plans, how my clients reduce weight every single day, and do follow me on Instagram as well to check out all my water itinerary vlogs and more health related content. And I'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit always.